Welcome to our deep dive into the future of search. We're focusing on what you need to know for SEO, GEO, and AEO in 2026. The digital landscape is changing fast. By 2026, AI, enhanced personalization, and localized intent will redefine search marketing entirely. Let's quickly define our key terms for this tutorial. SEO remains fundamental search optimization, GEO focuses on geographic relevance, and AEO centers on direct answer optimization. If your strategy hasn't adapted to large language models and advanced AI, it will quickly become outdated. We must update for relevance and visibility. Now let's explore what advanced SEO means in a 2026 context, focusing on intelligence and authority. Expect AI-driven search to dominate. This means significantly elevating your EEAT score and optimizing content to satisfy complex, multi-layered user queries. Semantic search optimization is crucial. Search engines are indexing entities, not just keywords, meaning your content must demonstrate comprehensive understanding of topics and relationships. User trust is paramount. Prioritize privacy-first data handling and maintain impeccable core web vitals to ensure a seamless, fast, and secure user experience. Next, let's look at how geographic optimization, or GEO, shifts from simple location tags to immersive experiences. GEO in 2026 demands hyperlocal targeting, delivering content specific to a user's exact microlocation, resulting in highly personalized search results. Prepare for the integration of augmented and virtual reality. Location-based experiences will require optimization for visual and spatial queries within these new digital environments. Local reviews are more influential than ever. Diligently manage your Google Business Profile and equivalent platforms, ensuring consistent, positive customer feedback to boost local rankings. Finally, let's look at Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, and how to capture those crucial zero-click interactions. AEO is about directness. Optimize specifically for featured snippets, knowledge panels, and voice search results by providing concise, authoritative answers. Structure your content using clear semantic markup to be easily digestible by LLMs and conversational AI. This is key to appearing as the source in generative AI responses. The rise of zero-click searches means visibility isn't always about website traffic, but about brand presence and authority within the search results themselves. Aim for answer zero. So, how do we bring SEO, GEO, and AEO together into one powerful unified strategy for 2026? Ensure your broad SEO foundations support your hyperlocal GEO content, and that all content is structured for AEO to maximize both direct answers and traditional ranking signals. Use this checklist. Elevate your EEAT, fully optimize your local profiles for hyperlocal search, and ensure all new content is structured for AI consumption. The future of search is here. By embracing these updates to SEO, GEO, and AEO, you can future-proof your digital presence and capture maximum reach in 2026 and beyond. Thank you for watching.